Hey guys, what's up? So in today's video, I'm going to be giving a price target on Nano Dimensions for the year 2025. But before we dive into that, make sure to drop this video a big thumbs up and feel free to subscribe to this channel if you want to see more content like this. And I also have a few links down below in the description. Make sure to check them out. I have a link to Webull, where if you use that link and deposit just $100, you'll get 4 free stocks. And that promotion is ending within the next 2 weeks, so make sure you definitely take advantage of that while it lasts. And with all that being said, let's dive straight into this. Okay, so putting a price target on Nano Dimensions is difficult at best, if not impossible. Right now, it's a pre-revenue company, and trying to figure out the total addressable market is almost impossible. I mean, we have really no way to gauge how many sales are going to occur in the future. So I can't use a discounted cash flow model. So I'm gonna do my best to work through this, and I'll show you guys how I'm gonna do it. So the first thing we need to figure out, is this company going to be successful? Because if you read here, the Small Business Administration defines a small business as one with less than 500 employees. And Nano Dimensions, I believe, has around 100 employees. So they are defined as a small business technically. So anyways, in 2019, the failure rate of startups was around 90%. Research concludes 21.5% of startups fail in the first year, 30% in the second year, 50% in the fifth year, and 70% in the 10th year. Now technically, Nano Dimensions isn't a startup, it's been around for quite a few years. However, this product, the Dragonfly, is new, and the company went through a reverse split a while back. So it's basically a new company with what they're trying to accomplish now. So anyways, according to business owners here, reasons for failure include money running out. So that first problem is not an issue. Nano Dimensions has over $210 million on its balance sheet now and almost no debt. So not running on money, that is out of the question. Next thing, being in the wrong market. Definitely not in the wrong market. 3D printing is a massive growing industry, and it's going to be very important moving in the future. So they're definitely in the right market. That's another thing, not an issue. A lack of research. Lack of research, to our understanding and my understanding, is again, not an issue. Apparently this product is amazing. And then the next thing here is bad partnerships. That's something we can't really rule out. They have a recent partnership with this German company. So could be good, could be bad, we don't know. Ineffective marketing. So ineffective marketing is obviously important. Nano Dimensions needs to market themselves so that they bring awareness to this product they have developed, and they're able to produce a mass amount of sales. So that's again, yet to be seen. I'm sure if this product is as good as they say it is, the marketing will do itself. Companies will be going to them to buy their product. So I don't think marketing is going to be an issue either. And then the last one is not being an expert in the industry. They're definitely experts. This product, from what I understand, is one of a kind, patented technology with no competition and solving a huge problem. So out of this list of common failures, I would say Nano Dimensions is looking pretty good. Most of these aren't applicable to them. So let's move on to what Nano Dimensions is doing and why their product could be wildly successful. Okay, so Nano Dimensions has developed a new technology that is supposed to be very disruptive. It's AME technology, electronics fabrication never before possible. So, the lights out digital manufacturing is a manufacturing technology in which systems run with little to no intervention around the clock. In the case of additive manufacturing, LDM means Dragonfly users can print more functioning electronic circuitry faster, extending the Dragonfly's rapid prototyping capabilities beyond prototyping. Users can now 3D print one-off prototypes as well as low volume manufacturing of printed electronics. So that is a lot to understand. So let me read this next paragraph to help kind of understand the benefits of this technology. So the Dragonfly LDM augments the capabilities of the award-winning Dragonfly Pro system with new proprietary state-of-the-art technology that enables 24/7 uninterrupted 3D printing. So that uninterrupted 3D printing is really the key advantage here and one of the main selling points. Basically, if this product is extremely effective, all of the companies that are potential customers are going to need this Dragonfly product because if they don't have it and their competitors have it, they're going to be at a massive disadvantage. And this is really key for many different industries, including research, aerospace, defense, medical, and automotive industry. So basically, if their competitors have this Dragonfly 3D printing technology and are having massive time savings, the other companies are going to need to buy this product as well in order to really stay competitive. And just recently, they sold 2 of these systems, one to the Australian defense contractor and by an Asian Pacific research center. So this is gonna be really common amongst, I think, basically all defense contractors around the world. This is gonna be really big for them. So I think we're gonna see a lot more units being sold to them over the coming years. Okay, so what do we have? Well, we've eliminated most of the small business key risks aren't applicable to Nano Dimensions. They have most of those under control. The next thing we need to establish is this technology innovative and necessary for companies to own. From what I can tell, and I'm no expert in 3D printing, companies are absolutely going to need to have this product in order to have that 24/7 uninterrupted 3D printing capabilities. There's no other technology that can do this as well as Nano Dimensions. All their technology is patented with no competition. So, with technology companies like this, it's either basically they're not successful at all because their technology doesn't solve a problem, or it does solve a problem and every company needs it. In my opinion, Nano Dimensions falls under the category that all of these companies are going to need it in those 5 different main industries. Okay, so trying to put a price target on this company is nearly impossible. Without understanding how much annualized revenue they can bring in, without any kind of margin data, without its total addressable market, it's really impossible to use your traditional valuation methods. So, because we can't do that, there's really only 2 things we can look at right now, and that's if we think the company is going to fail. And I think we've ruled out we don't think the company is going to fail. 90% of these small businesses fail over a 10-year period. However, we went through the list of the main causes, and Nano Dimensions really doesn't fit most of those, so I don't think any of those are an issue. And the second thing is, does the tech work? And in my opinion, this technology is extremely innovative, and I have to put my trust into ARK Invest. If they're heavily invested in Nano Dimensions, they have these different technology analysts researching this company. I have a pretty strong belief that this technology is going to work. So, in my opinion, if Nano Dimensions follows the typical trend of a very innovative, disruptive technology, the stock should 5 to 10x over the next 5 years. And this is something similar to a lot of different technology companies. If you look back at laser eye surgery, I use this example a lot, but basically that technology was absolutely necessary and was very innovative. And that stock skyrocketed. Everybody required it. And so I think it's gonna be similar with Nano Dimensions. I think all these companies are going to require their product. So for that reason, I think that this stock is a multi-bagger. I can't say if it's gonna 5 or 10x in the next 5 years, but it's a multi-bagger. That might be a 2, 3, 10x. I don't know, and I can't pretend to know, but it's definitely a lot. This isn't a 20 to 40% gain. This is 100% a multi-bagger company. And so really at the end of the day, it doesn't really matter if somebody predicts it's going to 5x or 6x. Either way, you're gonna be up massive on your investment from today's share price if this company is successful. So anyways, guys, I know that isn't a definitive price target, but really nobody can pretend to give you a price target with the data we have right now. So I hope that all makes sense to you guys and you found this video informative. I find this company absolutely fascinating and I'm going to continue to follow them very closely. And once we start to accumulate more financial data, I'm definitely going to look to do a proper long-term price prediction for you guys. But anyways, guys, that is all I have for this video. Thanks for watching till the end. I really appreciate you guys and I'll see you in the next one.